Every day, millions of charging adapters are produced inside advanced factories like this one. Inside, machines and skilled workers transform raw materials into powerful charging adapters. The process begins with plastic granules, which will form the outer body of the charger.
Electronic components are prepared to control voltage and ensure safe charging. Plastic is melted at high temperature inside injection molding machines. The molten plastic is injected into precise molds to form the charger casing. The plastic cools and hardens into its final shape. The mold opens, revealing newly formed charger shells. Robotic arms remove the charger cases with perfect precision. The cases move forward for assembly. Each case is inspected for perfect quality.
Only flawless cases continue to the next stage.
The cases are prepared for final assembly.
The charger bodies are now ready. Circuit boards form the brain of the charger.
Machines place components with incredible speed.
Solder secures components permanently.
The board cools after soldering. Inspection ensures proper connections. Transformers regulate power safely. Wires connect internal circuits. The charger's core is complete.
The board moves to assembly. Now ready for installation.
Each internal wire is carefully aligned to ensure perfect electrical flow and stable data transmission. The circuit board is carefully placed inside the charger casing, forming the core of the adapter. Wires are securely connected to ensure stable power flow and durability.
The two halves of the charger casing are snapped together with precision.
Specialized machines fasten screws tightly to ensure structural integrity. Strain relief is checked to prevent cable damage during everyday use. Every unit undergoes a final visual inspection for defects. Charger adapters are tested for electrical performance to meet safety standards. Heat and safety tests ensure the charger operates reliably under different conditions.
Approved chargers continue down the line for packaging.
The chargers are now ready for final packaging and distribution worldwide.
Chargers are carefully coiled and prepared for packaging.
Each charger is packed into a branded box, ready for the customer.
Boxes are packed into larger cartons for shipment to distributors.
Cartons are sealed securely to protect chargers during transportation. Each carton is labeled for tracking and distribution.
Chargers are shipped worldwide with SPUG, from factory to your home or favorite store.
From raw materials to finished products, modern factories combine automation, precision, and quality control.
And that's how charging adapters are made, from start to finish.